Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with the daikon radish. In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi daikon. First, wash and peel about 2 pounds of daikon radish. Then, cut it into uniform 1/2 inch cubes. This size ensures even fermentation. Next, toss the daikon with 2 tablespoons of salt and let it sit for 1 hour. This step draws out excess water, making the radish crispier. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1/4 cup of water. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until you have a smooth, vibrant paste. This blend provides the signature spicy and savory notes. After salting, rinse and drain your daikon well to remove excess salt. Now, combine the daikon cubes with your freshly made kimchi paste in a large mixing bowl. Use your hands to ensure every piece of daikon is evenly coated. Pack the mixture tightly into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. This allows for fermentation gases. Once packed, store your kimchi daikon at room temperature for 1 to 2 days to kickstart fermentation. You'll notice small bubbles forming. After this initial period, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. It will continue to ferment slowly and can be enjoyed for up to 3 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. This delicious kimchi is perfect as a side dish or snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.